Hey, hi. Welcome to Lady Abimbola Online. It's been a while since I uploaded. I have kind of harvested my cauliflower and so many other things. Now, I'm taking the gardening to the next level. Now, I'm planting things this year in the soil. So, I'm preparing the soil. Remember, everything I know about gardening, I'm learning it and I'm enjoying every bit of it. Now, I'm trying to prepare the soil. I cleared the soil here and some of the grasses, and now I'm trying to prepare the soil itself. So now, I'm trying to prepare the soil. As you as you can see, finished now. Here I have the first layer. Here I have cucumbers, and here I have onions, and you can see that one over there. Okay, and on this layer I planted maize. This is the time to plant maize. You can see I think one is growing already, and I saw it before. It's growing. So because I planted it before in a vase, and I think it's coming up. So what I did is that I put some fertile soil here on top, and mix it together, and hopefully from time to time I will wait and control the situation. So this one is here, and the flower vases, let's go to the flower flower vase garden, where I have other things there. Okay, so this is the flower vases. Everything is just germinating, it's still fresh, and hopefully I still have some seeds here I'm supposed to plant. This is pumpkin. What I did is that I got a small pumpkin, and I cut it into two, and I scooped the inside out, and I put a little bit of soil, and the one I scooped I mix it with the soil, and you just experiment, and it's germinating. That's the you can see it there. So what will happen is that just one is growing now. I think I saw two before, but well, one survived, but there are so many seeds in there, so I'm expecting more to grow. So when it's up, then I will now transplant this to the soil. I don't know, maybe I should transplant it now, since one is growing already. Maybe it's safe to transplant everything now, but I'll wait a while, so some other ones can germinate, then I'll transplant. So this is potatoes, that's broccoli, these are hot sauce, I can't remember what is here. This is strawberry. The strawberry is growing also. Actually, I did this with the skin of the strawberry. You have the seeds on the skin, so I did this with the skin of the strawberry. I just put all those things so that they can retain the heat, because basically, since I'm in Central Europe, it's still a little bit cold, though the sun is out, but it's still cold. So now I have this one, the vase garden. I have the garlic, I have finocchio there, I have strawberry there, I have potatoes, broccoli, beetroot, this is garlic, and celery, and pepper. This is green onions. I have over here pepper. The salad is drying up. Actually, since last year I have that, so they dry up. When the sun comes out, it revives itself again. They grow like grass, so there's no problem with that. So basically that's everything right now. These are just hot sauces, that hot pepper that is about to germinate. This is germinating already, and this I did this morning. So we'll wait for it to start germinating, and basically that's it. So I want to plant more seeds now. The problem is that I'm using my phone to do the registration, and it keeps going on and off, and it's frustrating. It distracts me from what I'm doing. So I will just do it and video and show you the result. Okay. Hey, this is harvesting of my cauliflower. Uh, this, they came out very small. They are not so big, but like medium size. This is one, and this is how it turned out inside. Not perfect, but inside. That's the inside, and this. And some came out badly, like all these ones, like this, I don't know what happened, but some came out like this. But that's my, the cauliflower harvesting, so I hope, you know I hope you will be able to. Okay, so that's it. I would other things like the potatoes and ginger, I will let you know when I'm harvesting them also. So I hope you like the result of my cauliflower. The rest I'm going to throw them away because it didn't come out with perfection. Okay, bye.